What's up YouTube, Catfish Gary coming at you with another Whatnot unboxing. So today I spent $39 on these 3 packages and one of these was a giveaway. So we're gonna figure out which one it is, y'all. I'm gonna get right to it. Alright, y'all. So I'm not sure if this was the giveaway or not, but we got a Glaceon Hollow. It's pretty cool. I believe that is from Prismatic because it says 2025 down there. So that's pretty cool, y'all. We'll let that sit right there. Start with the next one. Got some more stuff, y'all. Pokemon Daily. Y'all give them a follow. The cat's coming up to say hi to y'all. Check her out. She loves Pokemon too, y'all. Here we go. Let's not get sidetracked, y'all. Make it easier for y'all to scan. Let's see what we got, y'all. It's stuck to the package in a little bit. Oh, that was our giveaway, I'm pretty sure, y'all. Let's go. Now, this is like most of the package. I think I paid $37 for this. One of these was free, and one of the other cards was 77 cents. I paid for it, so I'm not really sure which one was which, y'all, but let's go with the cream de la cream of what I ordered this time, y'all. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we got a little bit of everything up in here. There's one item. Then we got a bunch of Japanese packs, y'all. 1, 2, 1 English. 3, 4, 5, another English pack. Look at that, y'all. Let's go. So I haven't ripped a whole lot of Japanese, so I'm definitely ripping the Japanese packs for y'all today. I'm kind of excited about that. But let's see what packs we got. I'm not really sure which one. That is a Stellar Crown Japanese. I'm not really sure. We're gonna rip, y'all. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. And then we got Temporal Forces. And then a Crown Zenith. We're going to save this one for a future video, y'all. Crown Zenith has some good hit rates, so I'm kind of excited for that. But let's show the slab first. Look at that. CGC. Shaman V. Let's see what we got, y'all. A 9. That's pretty cool. At least it's a high grade, y'all. It's nice. I think it was a little top heavy. So the top is a little bit thicker than the bottom there. Probably why it got a 9. That's cool. Alright, y'all, let's rip the first pack. This went bad last time I tried ripping Japanese packs. There's gotta be a technique to this, y'all. Ooh, I think I did that right, y'all. I figured it out. And I do not know if there's any pack tricks, so we're just gonna roll straight through. Dusknoir Hollow. Let's go. I have the Terapagos in English, so let's get the Japanese version, y'all. Let's go. That would be cool. Cubone. Slowbro. Or is that Slowpoke? I think that's Slowpoke. I don't know if that's Glam Meow, but I could be wrong. Ooh, is that Tortaga? I don't know. I might be wrong. Ooh, we're all out of cards. We didn't even get a holo in that one, y'all. Oh my goodness. Houndour. I do not know that Pokemon. Golbat. EX. Xerix Machinations. I don't know. I forget how to say that word, y'all. We'll set that one to the side. Two packs left, y'all. Let's see if we can't pull anything better than an EX. An art rare would be nice, at least. Oh no, I ripped terribly. Magnetone. Houndour. I forget his name. Tortaga? I don't know. I forget his name too. Wow. Nothing in that one, y'all. Bunch of cards I can give to the little one. Magneton. I think that's Pineco. I'm not sure. Greavard. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That's a motherfucking hit, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. She's gonna be jealous. My sister wants this card so bad, y'all. Oh my goodness. Yo, I wasn't ready for this. I wasn't ready. I didn't get no sleeves. Oh no, the cat's around. Oh, I hope she don't tear that card up while I run up to get a sleeve. Let's go. We got one. We got one. What a beautiful card. I love the artwork on this, y'all. That is so nice. Such a nice artwork. I will be right back, y'all. I'm going to get sleeves. Last pack magic pulled through, y'all. Look at that. I can't believe it. I don't even want to lay the card down until we get a sleeve. Holy smokes. Man, I love collecting Pokemon, y'all. That is so cool. Something just to brighten my day up. Let's go. That's Drowsy, y'all. In the art rare. Japanese. What a cool artwork. Sleeve up the EX too. Alrighty, y'all, that'll be it for today. I appreciate y'all stopping by for the video. I hope y'all enjoy them. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the ring bell notifications so you can stay tuned for my next updates. I got some more packages coming in, so every time I get some packages in, I'll open them up for y'all. If I don't open them up right away, we'll tuck them away, save them, rip them open for another video, y'all. I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace out.